Hey devs, in this video let's take a look at data properties and methods in a component. Let's first take a look at data. Data is one of the options for a component. It's one of the options for a component which must be a function that returns an object. Data can be considered as the state of the component. Each property in the data object that this function returns becomes part of the reactive. Each property in this object becomes reactive when view creates a new instance of the component. So I can define a property called count and give it an initial value like 100. This would be the state of the component. All properties of this object becomes part of the instance property data. So we can change the count by accessing it using $data and then count equals to 200. Let's just first comment this out and run this in our browser. Well, first we need to define the template. I'm gonna use literals and then can just access the count like that, save, and we can see 100 here. Now we can change the count property by accessing it through $data, save, and this becomes 200. View also makes the top level properties available through just View also make all top level properties will also be available at the component instance level. That means we can access count like vm.count equals to 300. Now if I save this in the browser, we should see 300. There's one problem. There's no typing support. Which brings me to the next topic, methods. To add methods to a component instance, we use the methods option. Methods. This is an object. Inside here we can define instance methods. Increment would be a function, and inside here I can access data properties using this dot, and there's typing support here. 400. Let's make it 400. And I'm gonna use mounted hook, and I can access methods I define here by using this dot, the method that I defined, which is available in IntelliSense, increment. I can remove this part of the code, save, and in the browser we can see 400. We can also call our methods from within the template. Let me remove the mounted hook, and I'm going to open up curly braces, and then I'm going to call increment function. We have initially set count to 100. When we call increment, we're going to set the count to 400. So let's make this 500. So when we call increment, we will set count to 500, which we are doing here, and then we print the count. So let's save this. You can see 500. This is it for this video. I'll be back with another video. Well, this is it for this video. That's it for this video. That's it for this video. Have a good one.